Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price right now. This is the #1 cryptocurrency technical analysis channel on YouTube. And Bitcoin has not had a clearer path than what we're seeing in the immediate short term. On the charts, we have the most accurate prediction for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, and analysts around the world are in agreement with the fact that if we look at the chart, Bitcoin is ready to test its 200-day moving average as a support level, an area that we rejected multiple times in this bear market. We are now ready to get the momentous decision of whether or not we want to hold above the 200-day moving average, or if we break back below it, sitting right there, showing confluence at 19,800. If we break below this 200-day moving average, that could be detrimental to the immediate short-term price action for Bitcoin. But it is a very high possibility right now that we come back down below 20,000, just shy of 20,000, to test this 200-day moving average, especially because we have a CME gap here at 19,995 that needs to get filled. And then not only that, if we look at the DXY, you can see it looks bullish in the immediate short term with its extremely bullish daily candle closing. It looks like the DXY wants to move up. It's been selling off aggressively for the last 6 months. It's time for the DXY to move up, especially with S&P 500 starting to show a slowdown in momentum here at the 200-day moving average, looking like a potential rejection is on the table. Are we going to hold this 200-day moving average for the S&P 500? Who knows? But the S&P 500 does not matter as much as Bitcoin. This is the #1 cryptocurrency channel on the internet, not the #1 equity technical analysis on the internet. So Bitcoin is what matters to us. The 200-day moving average, extremely important in the immediate short term, 19,800 to fill that CME gap. Let's see what happens. Our target is still 24,300. We were the most accurate channel with this breakout above 17,200. We knew what we were playing with, this range, with a support of 17,200, a resistance of 24,300, and as always, snipers, for those that have been tuned in for the last 5 years here to the #1 cryptocurrency channel on the internet, we know when you reach the midpoint of the range for the first time, that's typically where you slow down. Well, guess what? We are currently at the midpoint of the range, slowing down, and that's totally fine. Garden variety market behavior, which means this is normal market behavior. This is exactly how the market is supposed to react in a potential reversal zone. Look at the total market cap, fully above the 200-day moving average, getting close to this major resistance at 1.132 trillion. Let's continue to monitor that, showing confluence with Bitcoin reaching $26,000. Ethereum, 1440 is the main support level, sitting right there, showing confluence with the 200-day moving average. Also a potential retest on the table there. And then we'll have to monitor the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, because remember, Ethereum against Bitcoin is a leading indicator for all other altcoins, and we've seen it sell off with Bitcoin moving up as of lately, and that has actually brought Bitcoin dominance further up, forming new local highs. With this potential downside move, here's what we need to monitor, snipers. How is Bitcoin dominance going to react? If we want this bear market to end, we have to see Bitcoin dominance return to homeostasis at the 200-week moving average, where it loves to sit after the end of a bear market. And so if we want to call the bottom of this bear market, if we start to see any downside in Bitcoin, we want Bitcoin dominance to get towards that 200-week moving average, around 57% dominance, because that's going to be the final confirmation that this bear market is over. And with that, thank you all for tuning into the Snipers channel for this quick Tuesday update, the #1 cryptocurrency channel on the internet. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support this content. And until next time, snipers, I will see you later. Subscribe to the channel if you've yet to do so, and you can participate in our live stream coming at the end of this week. You can chat in the live stream if you're subscribed to the channel. So if you want to chat on the live stream, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Until next time, snipers, I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys. I will see you guys later. Snipers, before I leave, let's wrap it up. Bitcoin inside of the range with a support of 17,200, a resistance of 24,300. Currently having a cup of coffee at the midpoint of the range on the way to 25,000. Is it totally fine for Bitcoin to come down at this point? Yes. 19,800 is the major support. We're expecting a test of that, fill the CME gap, and continue on its merrily way to 25,000 US dollars to test that 200-week moving average. That's the range Bitcoin is in. That's what we're watching. And until next time, snipers